Today, it's all about fat burning cardio. So let's get started. Beginning with a good warm up to get the blood circulated, to get the energy flowing to every muscle of your body. We're going to do all low impact, easy on the joints, and yet we're going to get our bodies moving. Yes, we are. Burn some calories, burn some body fat, and feel good. Boost that metabolism. That's what we want. Good. Side to side. That's it. Now step side and side. Always think about low impact, but use your muscles. So the more muscles you're using, the more calories you're burning. That's why I'm working the arms and legs all at the same time. Double the workout in half the time. That's it. Let's go forward and back, and forward and back. Use your arms, biceps, and triceps. That's it. Keep those legs going. Non-stop aerobics. Yes, you got this. Good. Forward and back. Low impact. Get low though. Use your legs. That's it. 2 more. Last one. Good. Side to side. You got it. Let's go to the other side now. Forward and back. Use your biceps and your triceps. That's it. Good. I'm proud of you. Keep moving. That's the whole goal today. Yes. Stay in motion. Great. We're going to burn some calories. Yes, we are. Get those steps in. Yes, 2 more. Last one. Okay, side to side. We're going to scoop it side and side. That's it. Good. Just use your arms. Use your legs. Good. Really pump down. Pump it up. If you want to stay low impact, just stay right here. That's it. Good. Just scoop and scoop. Good. And you can add a little lift to it. A little bit. That's it. Good. 2 more. Last one. Okay. Right here. Heel taps. All right. These are hamstring curls. But kick your heel towards your buttocks. Okay. Let's work on those arms. Bicep curls. You got it. Good. 2 more. Here you go. Now we're going to do a little routine. We're going to do single, single, double. Good. Single, single, double. That's it. Got it? You can do it. I love these moves. That's it. Good. And now just stay here. Heel to the buttocks. Come on. Get low now. Get down and up. Down and up. Yes! There you go. This will burn more calories. The more levels you go up and down, the more calories you burn. 2 more. Last one. Okay, kick it out. Kick it out. Good. That's it. Lunge it out. This is all low impact. Easy on the joints. That's it. Good. Push your arms. You have to add the arms when you're doing low impact. So it's a total body burner. You can do it. Smile. We're going to burn fat. Yes, we are. Come on. 2 more. Last one. Double up the arms now. All the way up. Reach them. You got it. Good. Really lunge down so you feel it in your legs. Your leg muscles, buttock muscles are large muscles. They burn calories at a faster rate than the whole body's at. So use those legs. 2 more. Last one. Okay, just kick it out. Good. Twist it out for the waistline. Come on. Just twist and twist. Good. You can do it. Good. All right, now we're going to add a fun little move. It's a cha-cha. Good. Cha-cha. Side to side. That's it. Good. Cha-cha. I love cha-cha. Put on some fun music and dance. Dancing burns calories too. Good. That's it. Get going. You got this. Woo! Good. 2 more. Last one. Now push away. Good. Push away. Good. Feel the strength in that arm. Push the fat away. Come on. Yes. That's it. Low impact. It only takes a few feet of space in your house. That's it. Good. Last one. Good. Now we're going to step behind. Step behind. That's it. Just tap behind. Tap behind. Good. You got it. Can you get a little lower? This is where you really need to get a little lower. Now, press your hands behind you. We're getting that double. Press your arms up and use your legs. Yes. Zip up those abs. Engage your abdominal muscles to pull in. That's it. Like brace it right here. 2 more. Last one. Okay, just side circles. Side to side, side taps. Circle those arms. Target tone arms. The legs. That's it. Beautiful. And the other way. Circle the other direction. Circle those arms. Come on. Good. You got them. Use them. If you rest, you'll rust. So we have to move. 2 more. Good. Last one. Okay. Now leg presses. Good. Legs up. Really squeeze the butt behind you. That's it. Get lower now. Beautiful. Good. Lift the arms behind you. We're toning arms as we're burning fat. Yes. Keep it going. You got it. 2 more. That's it. Last one on this side. Good. And firm up that buttocks. Squeeze. Good. Squeeze that rear end. Lift and tone. Good. That's it. All low impact. Can you get a little lower? Good. Target tone those hips, thighs, and buttocks. You got it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, side to side. Inhale and exhale. Again, let me see those muscles. Inhale and press it. Good. And hold your arms right here. And lift. And lift. Good. Good. Swing your arms. Can you get those elbows together? Forearms together. Now you're working the chest muscles. Yes. We must. Good posture. Great. 2 more. Press it together. Last one. Okay, inhale. And exhale. And side tap. And side tap. But bend at the waist. So we're getting in the waistline. That's it. Good. Bend at the waist. Keep those legs going. Non-stop aerobics. You got it. Good cardio workout. Excellent. Good. Last one. And chest presses in front. Heel taps in front. Okay, get low. Get low. Use your arms. Use your legs. Get low. Work those bodies. Come on. You can do it. Yes. I'm proud of you. Just keep moving. That's the goal. Push. Push away that fat food. Come on, just eat good, healthy foods today. Yes. Put a smile on your face. Have a great attitude today because you are worth it. You deserve to be happy with a good attitude. It's up to you. Choose your attitude. 2 more. That's it. Last one. Okay, inhale and exhale. Just march it out. Take a deep breath. You're doing great. You did a fabulous cardio workout. All low impact. Got the heart rate up. Let's bring that heart rate back down. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. You can do it. Okay. Pump those arms. Yes. Good work today, you guys. Visit me anytime you want right here. I'm Denise Austin and keep going. I love you guys. Pump it out. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com. Sign up for your free trial now.